Before long, leaks about the new Google phone has started to lap up. On Tuesday, OnLeaks and MySmartPrice teamed up to deliver the first Pixel 9 leaks of the year, just 3 months after the launch of the Pixel 8 series. If the rumors renders accurate, Google will undergo a significant Pixel redesign in store for 2024. The leak renders revealed a design of the Pixel 9 Pro, which should make its debut by October this year. According to OnLeaks, the Pixel 9 Pro will feature a 6.5-inch display, which is smaller than the current 6.7-inch display. As of with the Pixel 8 Pro, the latest model will have a central hole cutout at the top of the selfie camera. Google is equipping the Pixel 9 Pro with flat edges to make it look more like the iPhone. In the video attached, you can see the volume rocker and power buttons on the right hand side. The other changes include the look of the iconic camera bar. Google is ditching the edge-to-edge design of the Pixel 8 Pro's camera bar in favor of a more oval camera island that looks similar to the Pixel Fold. Within the camera island, you can see a triple camera array with a telephoto sensor, wide-angle sensor, and a periscope camera. Google, many more leaks will come. As you know, Google is a company that encourages leaks, but it's good to see a design rechange and it looks pretty nice.